Which branch of anatomy deals with tissues and cells that can only be observed with the aid of a microscope? A. Gross anatomy. B. Comparative anatomy. C. Embryology. D. Histology. Answer. D. Histology. Gross anatomy studies structures visible to the naked eye. Comparative anatomy compares structures among species. Embryology studies development from fertilization to birth. Histology specifically studies tissues and cells under a microscope. The imaginary plane that divides the body into equal right and left halves is called the A. Transverse plane. B. Horizontal plane. C. Median plane. D. Sagittal plane. Answer. C. Median plane. Transverse plane divides cranial and caudal portions. Horizontal plane lies at right angles to median and transverse planes. Median plane divides the body into equal right and left halves. Sagittal plane parallel to the median plane but not necessarily equal halves. An increase in the size of a structure due to an increase in the number of cells is known as A. Hypertrophy. B. Hyperplasia. C. Hypoplasia. D. Atrophy. Answer. B. Hyperplasia. Hypertrophy increase in cell size. Hyperplasia increase in cell number. Hypoplasia incomplete development. Atrophy decrease in size. In anatomical terminology, a structure located farther from the vertebral column or point of origin is described as A. Proximal. B. Medial. C. Distal. D. Ventral. Answer. C. Distal. Proximal, closer to the point of origin. Medial, nearer the median plane. Distal, farther from the point of attachment or vertebral column. Ventral, toward the abdominal surface. Which muscle type can contract without direct nerve stimulation because contraction is an intrinsic property of the fibers? A. Skeletal muscle. B. Smooth muscle. C. Voluntary muscle. D. Striated muscle. Answer. B. Smooth muscle. Skeletal muscle generally requires nerve stimulation. Smooth muscle possesses intrinsic contractility. Voluntary muscle, another term for skeletal muscle. Striated muscle includes skeletal and cardiac muscle. Which hormone mobilizes calcium from bone and increases blood calcium concentration? A. Calcitonin. B. Parathyroid hormone. C. Insulin. D. Aldosterone. Answer. B. Parathyroid hormone. Calcitonin lowers blood calcium. Parathyroid hormone raises blood calcium. Insulin regulates glucose. Aldosterone regulates sodium balance.